Hey there, Wall Street winners. It is Thursday, April the 18th, and I just wanted to take a minute to go over a quick trade and ask you a simple question. Would you rather have a 5% guarantee with interest income in a GIC, or would you rather have a few 3% gains in a single day over the course of a year with your money available to you for the remainder of the year? My favorite, obviously, is the latter, and that's exactly what we talked about yesterday when we called out ConAd. So ConAd was sitting at 87.42 or down in the 87 range. A couple of days ago, I stated that this is a stock that operates in a very strict kind of envelope with a $4 kind of up and down range to it. And it was very close to, if not at the bottom of that envelope or bottom of that range. It then popped yesterday $1.44 and went up significant. Sorry, not $1.44. If we go to the 1 day, it went up $2.91 for a gain of 3.33%. So in a day, you had the opportunity to make close to half, if not more than half, of what you could make in a GIC, paying 5% for a full year and having your money locked in and tied up. So these are the types of gains that I would keep an eye out for, and the opportunities I would keep my eye open for, because these exist and they happen fairly regularly. You just have to follow a strict set of methodology and processes to get in on these at the right time and then to sell and take your gains. Good luck.